What we can configure for the store is shipping methods. Let's enable one with the fixed rate. For example, let's and all this and this shipping method is available after the deployment to cloud. Now let's go to payment methods, and here you have two. One is integration, authorize.net, and one is for demo purposes manual test payment method. Let's enable this one. Next, we can set the tax providers. We also have here two of them available. One is Avalara tax provider, which is in the integration, and another one is fixed % tax rate. Let's enable this one and set some percentage as a VAT, for example. All right. What else should we configure for the store is fulfillment center. Let's set some default warehouse for the store. And now we need to add some inventory.